The P0500 code means the ECM has detected a problem with the vehicle speed sensor. In simple terms, the ECM isn't getting accurate vehicle speed information, or the signal is missing altogether. The vehicle speed sensor is what tells the ECM how fast the vehicle is moving. That info is used for shifting, cruise control, speedometer readings, ABS, traction control, and even engine management. The first thing to check is the vehicle speed sensor itself. It's usually mounted on the transmission and reads how fast the output shaft is spinning. Some vehicles only use wheel speed sensors instead, depending on the design. If the sensor is worn or shorted internally, it can send a weak or missing signal to the ECM, triggering the P0500 code. The second cause could be damaged or corroded wiring between the speed sensor and the ECM. If there's a short, open circuit, or poor ground, the signal may never reach the ECM correctly. The third cause could be a bad connection at the speed sensor plug. Loose, dirty, or corroded pins can interrupt the signal and trigger the code. The fourth cause could be a faulty tone ring or reluctor wheel, especially on older vehicles. If the ring is damaged or missing teeth, the sensor can't read speed correctly. Another possible cause could be rust buildup around the sensor. If rust forms between the sensor and the surface, it can increase the gap too much, causing a weak or inaccurate signal. This can confuse the ECM and trigger the P0500 code, even if the sensor itself is still good. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM, but that's rare. If the computer itself can't process the signal properly, it may throw the P0500 code. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.